Ladies and gentlemen, the fireworks will come on the 3rd of July this week, not the 4th, as we have Jobs Week. Jobs Week is in front of us. Let's get into this. Before I go into what's going to happen with rates this week, please like, comment, and subscribe. And share with your friends who are maybe buying a home, looking to buy a home, or sell a home even. All right, so this week is Jobs Week. It is a short work week because Friday, the 4th of July, ain't nobody working. But the fireworks will come on Thursday. Let's start today, Monday. We have a Chicago Purchasing Managers Index report comes out. And then on Tuesday, July 1st, Fed Chair Powell is speaking again. July could be the month where the Fed lowers the Fed funds rate. I think a lot of that is going to be determined really what happens on Thursday. We also have the JOLTS report, ISM manufacturing and construction spending reports on the 1st. And then the 2nd, the first big jobs report of the week comes out. That is the ADP private payroll change. This is the private sector jobs report. We also get challenger job cuts. And then Thursday's a big one, guys. We get the BLS, Bureau of Labor Statistics jobs report, which has not been very accurate in my opinion, and in many economists' opinion. But hey, these are the numbers that we're getting. Unemployment rate, we expect unemployment to go up. If it does go up, that's going to be a surefire sign for the Fed to cut the Fed funds rate the following in the next couple of weeks. We also have average hourly earnings, non-farm payrolls, and then also initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims. Will this be the week we get over 2 million people receiving continuing claims across the country? That's going to be the big one. And then the 4th of July, hey, fireworks, enjoy the barbecue. Enjoy celebrating our independence. And we look at mortgage rates as we begin the week. We're looking at 30-year fixed rate, 6.72, jumbo at 6.84, and then VA. We are just below 6.25 at 6.23% as we start the week. That's great news. Let's break down VA a little bit more. You can see that we had a big drop last week. All right, almost a 1/4 point lower at the end of the week. So that's great news as we begin the month of July. Could July be the month where we get below 6% on the VA fixed rate, 30-year fixed rate loan? So that's where we're at this week. Again, jobs week could bring us lower or could push us back up to 6.5. I am going to go with the former, not the latter. You have a great week. Have a happy 4th of July week. If you need anything, any questions on what's going on in the market, whether you should buy, whether you should sell, give me a call. I'll run the numbers with you and help you make an educated decision. All right, aloha.